Welcome to the 15th edition of the Climate Newsletter.
India is witnessing one of its harshest summers in recent years. Temperatures have already crossed 45 degrees Celsius in several parts of the country, with Akola in Maharashtra recording a scorching 46.9 degrees Celsius. For millions of outdoor workers, rising temperatures are no longer just uncomfortable. They are becoming a direct threat to livelihoods, productivity, and health.
What is particularly concerning is that these extreme conditions arrived much earlier than expected. Scientists are also monitoring the possibility of a strong El Niño event developing later this year. If forecasts prove correct, the coming months could place additional pressure on agriculture, water resources, and public health. Historically, El Niño has been associated with weaker monsoons, drought conditions, and severe heat waves in India. As climate change raises the global temperature baseline, the impacts of El Niño are becoming increasingly severe.
Japan has demonstrated a remarkable breakthrough by successfully producing liquid fuel using captured carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Instead of extracting carbon from underground fossil fuels, the technology captures carbon already present in the atmosphere and converts it into usable fuel. This innovation offers hope for difficult-to-decarbonize sectors such as aviation and shipping. While commercial production remains expensive, it provides a glimpse into a future where carbon is continuously recycled rather than emitted.
Scientists are increasingly concerned about declining snowfall across the Himalayan region. Warmer winters are causing more precipitation to fall as rain rather than snow, which means less water available during dry seasons and shrinking rivers. A recent event in Alaska demonstrated how climate change can trigger unexpected disasters. Scientists recorded one of the tallest tsunami waves ever documented after a massive landslide crashed into a remote fjord. Researchers believe melting glaciers are destabilizing mountain slopes, increasing the likelihood of such events. As glaciers continue to retreat worldwide, similar climate-driven geological disasters may become more common.
We have some pleasant news also. In Djibouti, architects have created a children's village that remains cool without conventional air conditioning. The settlement uses wind towers, shaded streets, reflective surfaces, and natural ventilation systems among others to create comfortable living conditions while consuming minimal energy. The project demonstrates how traditional architectural wisdom can help communities adapt to a warming climate.
As high-quality mineral reserves become scarcer, mining companies are increasingly forced to process lower-grade ores, requiring more energy, water, and land disturbance. Experts believe the future of mining will depend on smarter extraction practices, resource efficiency, water recycling, and ecological restoration. The challenge is not whether to mine, but how to do so responsibly while meeting the growing demand for minerals required in the clean energy transition.
Telangana has launched an extensive heatwave action plan featuring cooling centers, weather alerts, emergency preparedness measures, and public awareness campaigns. However, experts argue that adaptation alone is not enough. Rapid urbanization, disappearing lakes, shrinking forests, and extensive concretization are trapping heat and making cities increasingly vulnerable. Long-term resilience will require restoring ecosystems, protecting green spaces, and integrating climate considerations into urban planning.
As usual, we have tried to balance the bad and disturbing news with the green shoots of human ingenuity heartening us in many small ways. See you next week.